morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to today's video. All right, well, I got a bigger box today, but that's because there's 2 shoes in here, but you're only gonna get one. So if you want to see what shoe that I'm gonna show you from this box is in here, stay tuned. All right, well, okay, let me handy dandy box cutter. Do this. I got a big old box. So I was perusing Hibbett Sports a couple of weeks ago, actually, a couple of weeks from when I recorded this video, and I was, you know, like I said, perusing, trying to see what was going on. Okay, this is my invoice or receipt. We're gonna put that right over here. And I was just kind of perusing and was trying to figure out, you know, I was actually looking for a different shoe, and I came across these. I'm not going to, like I said, I'm not going to open up the other box that's in here. Put that right there because I don't want those shoes to get messed up, because those shoes are not for me. So I was looking on Hibbett for a different shoe, but I ended up finding these. So what I found, if you see that gold Jumpman in that white box, you know what we about to do. All right, so let's read the label. Women's Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. Colorway is Purple Smoke. Women's size 9. So I've only seen a picture. I've never seen these in person. I don't know if I've ever seen these at all. So this is going to be a first, a real, true unboxing. Here we go. We got the white paper with the 23 all over it. Oh, I just got a glimpse. Oh, wow. We got an extra purple lace. Oh my goodness. This is the Jordan 1 Mid SE Purple Smoke. Oh, wow. Now, funny thing is, I almost didn't get this shoe because, as you guys know, or if you all remember, let me say it like that. If you guys remember, I already have a purple, is it a mid or a high? I have a purple high that I actually wore when I closed on my house a year ago. So I was like, I don't need another purple Jordan. But I saw these, and the thing about those purples, those are purple satin. These are purple velvet. Here we go right now. These are the Jordan 1 Mid SE Purple Smokes. Here are the inside of it. There's the backs of the shoe. And here is the outsides of the shoe. These are a full purple shoe. They also came with a regular purple lace right here. But we are going to do the left shoe because we are lefties up in this hizzy. So here's the shoe up close and personal right here. It is full purple velvet. You even have purple velvet laces. The tongue is the only thing that is not velvet. So let me, of course, they knotted these got these suckers tight with the dead stock knot, which I do love a good dead stock knot sometimes. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Got the paper out of it. Okay, so let's see if I can get into it. Hopefully you guys can try to get in there so you guys can see. Basically, it is full purple with the white Jumpman. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see if I can get in closer. Oh, wait. You might be able to see that. It's a white Jumpman in there. Actually, let me get in there like that. You might be able to see it. I can't tell. Anyway, it is full purple from the rooter to the tutor. Oh my gosh. This is a beautiful shoe. Like I said, as you guys know, I have a purple satin Jordan. It was from the it was an Earth collection, some sort of collection. But this is, I have one other velvet shoe. I have a pink velvet Air Force One. I don't know if you guys know about, I'll show both of those shoes here in a second so you guys can see. Actually, no, I'll have pictures up on the screen so you guys can see those. But yeah, this is a beautiful shoe. Good night. It is full purple. You even have a purple sole. Midsole is in the white color, but it is a full purple shoe. You could keep the velvet laces in, or you can change them out to a regular purple lace. I don't know. This is one of those shoes that, like, you have to wear this with care. I don't know. It's one of those weird things. The only thing is the tongue is not velvet. The tongue is just a regular fabric tongue. Let me see if let me take the knot out real quick so you guys can see the tongue a little bit better. On the tongue is the, turn that, there we go. We got the Jumpman and Air in white. But yeah, this is a really, really cool shoe. I was actually kind of on the fence on buying this shoe because, like I said, I already have another purple shoe. So I'm going to quit rambling. I'm going to get on to the fun part of the video with you guys. I think you guys are here to see me how I style this up. And with us being into the fall season, let's get to les fashions. Okay, for these shoes, I went with this light purple sweater I picked up from the Gap. Jeans are also from the Gap, as I just think about it, as I put this all together. I did a full Gap outfit with my Coach Eddie bag that, I think this is the only gray, no, I have another gray bag. This is the only gray shoulder bag that I have to go with the purple velvet mids that I have. I think this is violet velvet mids that I have. I wanted to do something pretty casual. If I had to go into work, this will be a perfect outfit to go into work with. The shoes are kind of unassuming, kind of, sort of. So let's get on the floor and you guys can see I did change out the lace. So you guys can see these up close. All right, and here's the shoe up close. As you see, I changed out the laces on the shoe and I went with the white lace instead of the purple, the velvet lace that it came with. I wanted to do something different, and since the midsole is white, I wanted to pull the white out, and also the Air and Jumpman is white on the tongue. I wanted to put a white lace on it to do something a little different with it. But yeah, this shoe is so cute. I love it. It's not my normal typical Jordan. Like I said, I like a lot of my Jordans in suede, but when I saw this velvet situation, I really liked it, and I thought this would be great. Purple is not a color that I own a lot of in my collection, so it kind of made me kind of branch out and kind of dig and see what I owned. And I forgot I had some purple pieces. So here is the shoe right here for the outside, the shoe from the front. Here's the inside. And here's the backs of both shoes. I'll pull up my pants legs really quick so you guys can see that. But yeah, this shoe, like I said, is really cool. I really like the shoe, and I can't wait to wear it out. This is like the best weather for it too. Okay, and for this outfit, I just went real simple, all black, nothing crazy. The leggings are from Target. These are from A New Day. The hooded dress is from H&M. And the bag is Louis Vuitton. This is the, I want to say Sac de Paul. I cannot remember. I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, this is just something really simple to like run errands in on weekends or just work. Actually, I've been working in this all day, and with the exception of the shoes, because I don't wear shoes in the house very much. But yeah, I wanted to, this is a very classic, comfortable, warm outfit because the dress is lined, the leggings are lined, and of course we got velvet shoes. So let's get on the floor one more time. Let's look at these shoes up close, and we're gonna get on back to past me and finish out the video. Okay, and here's the shoe up close one more time. Unfortunately, I'm not in full natural light. I had to turn on some extra lights because it is pretty cloudy today, and it's gonna be cloudy all week. because I think we have a chance of rain. But this is the shoe up close. Like I said before, I changed out the laces and took out the velvet laces to go with the white, to kind of bring the white in the midsole out. But yeah, this is the shoe one more time. This is the outside. This is the front of the shoe. This is the inside of the shoe. And here's the back of the shoes. One thing I will say, and I don't think I've spoke on this. The wings are actually knitted inside. Like the swoosh is knitted. The wings are also knitted in. Oh, also, outsole is going to be in the violet. Midsole is in white, along with the laces that I put in. But yeah, the swoosh and the wings are both knitted in, so you can to give kind of a, instead of it being all velvet, you have like a knitted, not knitted, but like a stitched or knitted, I guess that's the right word to use for the swoosh and the wings. But yeah, this is, I like this shoe. It's not like my normal custom, you know, my normal velvet or leather Jordans, but these are nice velvet for the winter, and they're in purple. It's a color, like I said, I don't own a lot of. So here we are. Okay, I hope you guys like the fashions and everything that I came up with. This shoe is a really cool shoe, and I don't own a lot of purple, so this is actually going to force me to kind of get out of that non-purple zone. I don't know why I'm saying non-purple zone, but I don't know. I don't own a lot of purple, but that's all right. I'm gonna buy a little bit more purple. So let's get into this shoe one more time. These are the Jordan Mid Purple Smoke, and the shoe is 99.999% purple smoke with the white midsole. Your outsole is actually also in the purple smoke. Your tongue is a fabric, the regular standard fabric tongue with the Jumpman and Air in white on the tongue. The shoes are laced in a velvet lace. They also come with a regular standard lace. And on the inside of the shoe, your sock liner and your sole is all in the purple smoke color. And if you can really see in there, you're going to see a white Jumpman knitted on the sole of the shoe. But yeah, this shoe is really cool. Your swooshes your swoosh is a double stitch along with the wings on the outside. I forgot to tell that part. But yeah, this is a really cool shoe. I really like the shoe. Like I said, it's going to force me to wear more purple. Also, this is not the same color purple as my satin highs. So this is a little bit more like a smoky purple, or those are a little bit kind of crayon, well, a light lavendery. This is more of a smoky purple. So yeah, I really like the shoe. This shoe has more of a fall vibe. That's the best way to describe it. This is the fall purple. That's more of a spring purple. There we go. That's it. I just figured it out. One is fall, one is spring. All right, I'm going to get out of here. If you guys like videos like this and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, or like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free of charge to everyone, including myself. Also, if you guys want to read something, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net. I'm starting to get my creative juices back. I'm starting to think about more things to blog and more things to talk about. If you guys have any suggestions, if you guys want to hear my thoughts in the blog on something, or if you guys have any video, sneaker or handbag video suggestions, talk to me below here on YouTube, and I can put it on the list, and I can do a video on it. That's it. Like I said, I'm going to get out of here. I got a lot of packages today, and I need to get everything unpacked, get everything put away. And there's a big box in my kitchen right now that I really need to attend to, because it's something I've been wanting for about a year, and I finally got my hands on it. So I'm going to get out of here. Like I said, talk to me below. And that is it. Love, peace, hair products, handbags, sneakers, luxuries, tech, blogging, and all that fun stuff. Bye. You're just another face I knew from a TV show. So very long, we will find a way. I can show you some of the people in my life. I can show you some of the people in my life. Hey, it's driving me mad. It's just another way of passing the day. Hey, 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 hey. We don't do the craters. We ain't done those. I don't think we've had those up. Bing, 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 bing. I get so lonely when she's not there. All right. I need to have a volume. I need to get back to putting that up. All right. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go.